Hello everyone. Today we're going to make our own theme song for McDonald's. Now I'm not sure if you watched my first video on this topic, but this is what I usually do. So we gotta give ChatGPT some prompts. Let's see what we can write. Give me. So what I'm gonna do here is slowly collect all the pieces and put them together like a puzzle. It's pretty good. So that's the prompt. We're gonna see how this works out. Then we come back here. So right, topic. Alright, me let's see. This song isn't typically commercial. It's an introspective golden arch. Okay, so that's what we got. One of my favorite snacks from McDonald's is nuggets. So I'm gonna write cheeseburgers and nuggets because who doesn't like a well-cooked nugget? Let me know what your favorite burger from McDonald's is. Mine is the Big Mac, the Midnight Crown. That's a nice title. Okay, then we come here. Right, song lyrics. Are you ready for this? Let's see what Producer.ai gives us. Golden Solitude.
The city's cold, but the neon's humming focused on the goal. Those 2 for ones are keeping pieces of my spirit whole. I don't need a silver stacked high, double cheese. Let the melted yellow drip. 10-piece nuggets in the sauce. Never let the vision slip. It's a
That's pretty good. Now let's make it sound more dope. We're gonna add rain effects to it. We'll listen to that, but we'll let Producer.ai add more thunder cues.
in the sky with the map.
If you watched my other video, you would know to give feedback to the program.
The city's cold, but the neon's humming gold. The story.
I didn't like the vocals, man.
Spirit whole, and deepest in the stove. Just a box with the seal. And fame thing against that and hot on it at the bike or the mother.
I'm gonna try this prompt for the next song because I'm not liking what I'm hearing at the moment.
Corner getting fed, getting blessed, that live looking sleeves, looking up.
That's actually heaps better. This might ruin it. Let's see. Alright.
The city's cold, but the neon's humming gold. Double cheese at the melted yellow drip. 10-piece nuggets in the sauce. Never let the vision slip. It's a dark world outside, but the flavor's looking bright.
Let me know what you think about that. I know it's not hip hop now, but I actually like that more than the hip hop. Let me know which version you like. Alright, now we're getting there. Pop rap epic orchestra guys.
City's cold, but the neon's on the go. Goes to the store, it's all for me, it's like another.
Nah. I wrote to the AI the lyrics are not understandable at all. Anyway, my bad. The reduction might have swallowed the words. I'm cranking the lyric strength to the max and dialing back the weirdness. Are you ready for this?
A hunger uncontrolled, past the static on the mic. Snap into cardboard outside, but the freighter's looking bite. Holding knockers in the sky, keeping moving, keeping true. Just the herb is in the parts, that's the only way we do.
That's heaps better. I mean, I like that. Let me know which version you like, the first, second or third version. Oh, and by the way, if these videos get attention, I will also make a video program where I show you how to get copyrights for your songs so you can upload them to Spotify, Amazon, and all that free of charge. Please like, comment, subscribe. I do want to share my knowledge with all of you. I'm not just making these things for the sake of making them. I do hope with me making these videos, I can teach you how to utilize AI. So let's see. That's pretty good.
With the seal, that paper bag heavy, that's the only thing that's real. Fluorescent lights are fighting as I point about the grave. The teen in the crate, things straight. They send the stars, bevel letters, it's underneath you. I know the trees are up to little drip. Just a box with the seal, that paper.
I think we're getting to the end of this song. I mean, this is what I like about AI. You can just sit here for like half an hour max and you've made yourself a song. Let's see what this sounds like.
But the neon stars, bevel letters into slip. It's the pivot diet, keep it moving, keep it true. The dogs, that's the only way we do.
Okay.
On the mic, yeah, I'm focused on the goal. Those 2 for 1 keeping pieces of my spirit whole.
This is what I like to do. Master it for monetize, etc.
The neon's humming gold. Turn these numbers into stars, bevel letters into.
Okay. And let's change the title. Golden Solitude. Can make a music video. I like that photo. Now make it extra neon city. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, that's nice. We're almost ready to go. I've set everything up. You guys, I'll upload this to the end of this video if it turns out good, or I'll add a little snippet. Besides that, mine was the last song that we updated. Let me know what your favorite version was. For my next video, what type of genre would you like me to do? Let me know in the comment section. Alright guys, please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends. If this video gets quite a bit of views, I will make another video on how to upload your songs to Spotify, Amazon, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and it won't cost you anything. I mean, the only thing that you will need to buy so the songs can be yours is pay for the Producer.ai program, and that's $6 a month at the moment. So if you don't have the rights to your song, then you obviously won't be able to do the rest of it. I appreciate all of you for coming by today. Thanks so much. I'll see you next time. Let's go.
The city's cold, but the neon's humming gold. A story in the steam, a hunger uncontrolled. Past the static on the mic, yeah, I'm focused on the goal. Those 2 for 1 keeping pieces of my spirit whole. I don't need a silver spoon, just a box with a seal. That paper bag heavy, that's the only thing that's real. Fluorescent lights are fighting as I point about the grave. The teen in the crate, things straight, did he phrase said. I know the trees are up to little drip. Turn these numbers into stars, bevel letters into slip. It's the dark nose eye, but between a fucking fight, holding icons in the sky when the lessons on the night. Hit a mother in diet, keep it moving, keep it true. Just the purpose in the dogs, that's the only way we do.